Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Robilyn Luis. I am 45 years old with five children, ages 20, 18, 16, 15, and 12 years old. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and currently working here in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper. I serve in one family with a member of six adult and one teenage. My duties to there are cleaning, dusting, glass cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, washing, and ironing. Also, preparing what to cook for the meals, drop and pick up student to school. Before I came here, I worked as housemaid for 6 years in Philippines. I served in one family with a member of two adult, newborn baby, 6 and 10 years old kids. My duties to there are cleaning, dusting, vacuuming, mopping, washing, and ironing. Also, cooking and meal preparation. I also taking care of the kids with the babies, including changing diaper and feeding. I also assisting the kids to do their homework and engaging their activities outdoor. To my future employer, if you give me a chance to work for you, I can assure you to do my best to take care of your family, to take care of your kids, to help them to grow to be a better kids, and to nourish them with love and protection. Thank you and have a nice day.